Now, Channel 3 early warning weather.
All right, we're watching those flurries. They're starting to move into New York City, and soon enough they'll be here in Connecticut. This is going to be enough to maybe get something to stick on the grass, but that's it. No impacts to travel, but we will be watching for some of these flakes to be falling across some parts of Connecticut for tomorrow morning, and maybe as soon as 1 o'clock in the morning. So they're coming from the west towards the east, and for tomorrow, it's also going to be another cold one. So it's not one of those days where we're thinking, is it going to be rain or is it snow? But for tomorrow morning, certainly cold enough for some of those flurries. As you can see, quite a bit of blue to the west of us, but we are anticipating far less snow than some of our neighbors got today. We are anticipating flurries, so it's very dry outside, and as those flakes fall to the surface, they may be drying too. That happens with rain, and that also happens with the snow sometimes as well. Here's a look at a model depiction of 3 a.m., so nothing, right? But we may see some of those flakes flying into Sunday morning, and then into the afternoon to become less likely to see any sort of precipitation. We'll stick with the cloud cover, and for the second half of Sunday, we'll see a few breaks in the overcast, but ultimately it's a cold and cloudy day, and let's root for some flurries, right? That'd be kind of cool to see some of them tomorrow morning, but it's just no matter how you slice it, we're looking at good travel conditions for Monday as well. There is going to be a low pressure system that's going to build to the east of us, so that builds offshore. That's where we want to see it. It gets a little breezy on Monday subsequently, but we are going to be looking at mainly dry conditions. Now, we could see some more flurries on Monday as well. In fact, there may be just enough up there in the northeast hills to provide an extra coating of snow on top of your 2 or 1 inches that has kind of probably compressed a little bit into today. Here's a look at the headlines for the week ahead. We're talking about those flurries on Sunday, primarily on Sunday, and we could see another batch of those for Monday as well. And then all eyes are on a midweek warm-up. So it looks like we're not going to see a statewide snow event for Sunday or Monday, and then we got the warmer temperatures and some rain in the forecast. That means we're going to have to wait quite a while, actually, to see that big first snow across Connecticut because things are anticipated to get a little bit warmer by the end of the forecast. 34 degrees right now in New Haven to go with those calm winds. They have calmed down sizably across the state, so we're looking at about a 5-mile-per-hour breeze, but that is going to fire up for Monday. So the good thing about tomorrow is that the winds are not going to be that bad for us, but there'll be just enough of a gust to give us a wind chill factor on Monday. I think these winds actually kind of underplaying how gusty it may be on Monday afternoon. So watch out for that. It's going to be in the 30s as well on Monday. So it's cold on Sunday, but then, we're spending most of the day in the 30s on Monday. So very chilly weather is ahead for us. Here's a look at some towns across Connecticut. Litchfield right now, 23 degrees, 26 in Meriden, 28 in Waterbury. And those dew points, check that out. Those are super low. So in the summer, we talk about the high dew points and how it's kind of uncomfortable. But, it's nice in the winter, the late fall, we get these low dew points. So it kind of feels nice, nice crisp air going on right now in those teens. And that's a factor in how much snow is going to be possible the next couple of days. Just too dry out there for much. 31 degrees in Hartford right now to go with calm winds. So look at Waterbury, 28 degrees. All these places could see some flurries for tomorrow morning. Temperatures right now, 28 degrees in Willimantic, 31 in Hartford. And along the shoreline, we're seeing temperatures just barely above 32, 30 degrees right now in Groton. Our low temperatures for tonight, we're drifting into the teens for some of those places in the Northwest Hills. And some of those valleys that are prone to getting cold, I think you guys will get in the teens for tonight. 22 degrees for Chester, 24 in New London. High temperatures for tomorrow are yet again below average, 40 degrees in Hartford. This is almost the exact same thing we had going on for today. However, it's going to be cloudier, so it feels a little colder for tomorrow. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. It's not much, but it's a warm-up. Wednesday, we're warming up to 44 degrees, and as of right now, it doesn't look like mix. It doesn't look like snow. It looks like rain on Thursday. So a rainy day coming up for us, and we should be looking at that little bit of a warm-up continuing into the weekend. So average temperatures, mid-40s. Some